Here we go.
Let's get rid of that.
Hot knife through butter.
Hot knife through butter, yeah. And basically what I'm doing is I'm just cutting the ends off those little, call them soda straws if you would, on that side. And then I'll flip it over and do exactly the same thing here. Trying to stay just underneath that cap. Because the less honey I get with that, the better off I am. And then, when I've got most of it off with that knife, then I'll switch to this little scratcher thing and just break the caps that I didn't take off. So I just want to break the bonds so that I can spit them out. Some of the wax will go with the honey, but that's okay. We take that out in another step.
You put them over here and get them ready.
That's that step.
And then you put them over here in this guy.
And this guy.
And this is it. He's spinning away.
Yep, he's going to take it.
Oh, wow, look at that. And then it comes out in the bucket in the bottom.
Comes out in the bottom. And goes into this settling tank, which has wax. The wax floats to the top if you give it time.
Oh, and then it comes out a lot cleaner.
And then it comes out a lot cleaner down there, yep.
Oh,
So it stays in here overnight, and then I package it off the next day.
What do you think of that, Marcella?
These are the guys, girls that want to help me harvest stuff.